Are you from a non-technical background and also wants to learn as much as an IT professional does? Let us help you, as we know that in today's digital world, where every logo, image and advertisement competes for an attention, graphic design has become an indispensable art form. From the moment we wake up to the time we scroll social media, we are constantly surrounded by the graphics that influences our perceptions and decisions. So we can say that graphic designing is the field that runs on your creativity and interest, not on your degree. This field is continuously growing because of its various demand in the industry. And the best part is you don't need any prior coding, tools or software knowledge to start learning this. Adding to this, graphic designing offers work from anywhere opportunity that make it best choice for housewives and freelancers. Here at Grras, we recognize the power and potential of graphic design in shaping your career. Therefore, we are excited to introduce our job-ready course of graphic designing, tailored to equip you with the skills and the knowledge needed to thrive in this digital era. Here, we will cover everything from scratch, from understanding color theory and typography to shaping your skills in Adobe Creative Suites, including Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe Premiere Pro, InDesign, and After Effects. You will learn to transform concepts to stunning visuals. Why graphic designing from Grras? At Grras, we provide interactive learning, real-world examples, one-on-one mock interviews, expert guidance, course completion certificate, structured curriculum, real-world projects, 24/7 learning from industry mentors, and 100% job assistance. So are you ready to learn graphic design to improve your skills and shape the future? Get enrolled today for a free demo class.